Finn, and what have you got there?
So I've got the new TA RAF-1. It is a indoor model. It is 4 channels, so rudder, elevator, aileron, throttle. It uses a normal T-motor setup. I'm using the AM40 with 3 blades. They're available on plaineandSane.com. They fly very well, and it was worked with, or TA worked with Nico Gastaldi to design this awesome model.
Right, now I've noticed the prop is in a motor in the middle, so you're getting the benefit of thrust over the control surfaces, right?
Yeah, because that motor still projects thrust into my ailerons and rudder because they've been extended to the scale movement and position. So
nice. So you can do some pretty tight loops and flat spins and stuff, I guess.
It's very fun to fly. Definitely the most fun plane I've ever flown. But anyway, let's get to it.
All right.
Shall we? After you.
Can you go up high and do a flat spin from the ceiling? No.
Fast one.
Well, there you go.
Nice.
This is the TA RAF-1, available on Plain and Sane. I can't fly like anyone like Rory Tooley, but for an indoor model, it's great fun. Out of all the foamy models, and actually all the models I've ever flown, this has been the most fun.
So what's the website for this?
This is plaineandsane.com if you're in the UK or in Europe. Otherwise, it's TA Horizon.
Great.
Anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, adios.
Adios.